After high school, they can go directly into an apprenticeship, or they could go work for a regular company. Once they leave this program, they get certified National Center for Construction Education and Research, NCCER. They get certificates. It's a nationally accredited program, and it's recognized by all these companies. It's recognized that they've been certified and been trained in HVAC.
Okay. As they come in.
Well, some of them are kind of, most, I would say not some, but most are unsure when they first come in, whether like this is really what they want to do. Some are, you know, okay, some quite unsure. Some don't even know what HVAC is. But once they get in and come in and really start getting their hands on, doing electrical work, just getting involved, seeing what it's all about, it normally grabs their interest. Lots of different fields. You could do residential work, working in people's homes. You could do commercial work, working on schools, large office buildings.
Right.
You could do computer programming, controls of HVAC systems, which is becoming more and more popular as we look for energy efficient systems. You know, so that's the real big thing. So there's lots of different areas you can get into with HVAC.
Okay, thank you for your